Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do my spicy soy sauce crayfish dish. If you'd like to see how I prepare this dish, please stay tuned and remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And let's go cook. So I have here 2 pounds of live crayfish and I'm just going to wash them off with some cold water. And then now it's time to boil them for about. I have a pot of water here and I'm going to add some salt and then let that boil. So now it's time to add the crayfish and I'm telling you, I am so scared. So here is the moment of truth. 1 crayfish. Oh my God, it got away from me just now. Have them all in a pot and we're just going to boil them for about 2 to 3 minutes. They're finished boiling now. This is what they look like, bright and nice. I'm going to pour the water off and get started on my sauce. Okay guys, I forgot to tell you to reserve 1.5 cups of the boiling water for your sauce. So I've reserved this for my sauce and I'm just going to pour off the excess water from the crayfish. For my sauce I have soy sauce, fish sauce, Hoisin sauce, sesame oil, some of the reserved boiling water, cornstarch. I'm using some sugar to balance out the tanginess. I have white wine, paprika, crushed red pepper, and I chopped up some garlic, ginger, habanero pepper, and some scallion. I have a bowl here and I'm going to add my cornstarch. I'm adding some of my reserved boiling water. Just going to whisk those around. I'm going to pour some of my soy sauce, almost all of it, a few drops of my sesame oil, Hoisin sauce, meat sauce, and my sugar, paprika, and my red chili flakes. Just whisk those around and then it's time to go to the stove. In this pot I have some vegetable oil and it's already hot. I'm going to add my ginger, garlic, pepper, scallion. Just move those around a bit. Then I'm going to add my white wine. going to add some black pepper. Going to add my sauce. And I'm just going to leave it for it to simmer a bit so that it can get a little bit thicker. This is my sauce now. This is the consistency that I'm looking for, this thickness. Not too thick, not too runny. This is what I'm looking for. If your sauce is too runny, then you could add more cornstarch. Remember guys, do not use any salt in this recipe because all of the other sauces like the hoisin sauce and the soy sauce and all those sauces has salt. You don't want to use any more salt in this dish. So this is the consistency that my sauce has reached. I like it. So I'm just going to add my crayfish now. Just stir them around to coat them in the sauce. If you like spicy food just like me and my husband, you could add more pepper or you could add cayenne pepper, which I think I'm going to add some cayenne pepper to this so that I can get some more heat, some spiciness. So I'm just going to leave them here to cook slowly. So while they cook, they will be soaking up all those good sauces. If you want more sauce, add more water, then cornstarch, and then add some more spice if you like more spice, like cayenne pepper and stuff. So I'm just going to cover them and leave them to cook slowly for about 5 to 10 minutes, and that's it. I'm done. There it is guys, my spicy soy sauce crayfish dish. All nice and juicy. It is smelling so good in here. It is so yummy. Please try this recipe and comment down below how it turned out for you, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.